Welcome to Video Notes for an Introduction to Programming Using Python by David Schneider. In this video, we'll look at methods from the Turtle module to draw some simple shapes. We start by importing the Turtle module, then we create an object called a turtle. When we do this, a window appears with a white region inside that we call a canvas. In the center is a small chevron called a turtle. Think of this as a turtle with a pen attached to its tail. We move the turtle around to draw. The canvas contains about 360,000 tiny points called pixels that are identified by ordered pairs of numbers. The XY pair 0, 0 is in the center of the canvas. Positive values for X go to the right, negative to the left. Positive values for Y go up, and negative values go down. We raise and lower the pen with the up and down methods. We could move with forward and backward methods if we specify how many pixels we want to move. Since our turtle always starts at 0, 0, let's just draw a simple 250 pixel line. You can see the turtle here on the screen. If we want that to go away, we can hide it with the hide turtle method. We can set the heading of a turtle to a specified number of degrees using the set heading method and rotate the turtle counterclockwise using the left method and clockwise using the right method. Let's try this to draw a triangle. We can also make our triangle different colors using the pen color method. You can check your textbook for a full list of the colors you can use. Let's draw a rectangle using these methods. We use the go-to method with coordinates to move to a different position on the canvas. Enclosed regions, such as rectangles and triangles, can be filled with any color. The fill color method is used to specify the color for the interior of the regions. We need begin fill and end fill placed before and after the statements that actually draw the region. The dot method is used to draw a filled circle with a specified diameter and color centered at the current position of the pen. If you don't specify the color, the current pen color is used. If both arguments are omitted, the statement uses a diameter of 5 pixels and the current pen color. The first dot will start with a center at -150, 0, and should be colored purple. Our second dot will take on the default color here that we've set to orange. And our third circle here will be defaulted to green, and the size will be 5 pixels. The right method displays the string argument given to it with the bottom left corner of the string approximately at the current position of the pen. The default is left alignment, but you can specify center and right alignment. Here I've included a dot to show how things line up to make it a little bit clearer. In the beginning of the section in the textbook is a picture of a flower that's created by repeatedly having the turtle move 200 pixels in a straight line and rotate 170 degrees counterclockwise. The code shown here is also provided in the comments for the section. I've added a speed method that makes drawing the flower a little faster. In this video, we looked at creating a turtle object and using it to draw shapes and write on a canvas. This can be used for drawing interesting objects such as flags, or for displaying data in the form of bar and line charts. Only your imagination limits you.